All right, all right, all right. We're back again. Anything that moves. We're going to talk about a couple of things today. Stay to the end if you want to just, chew the fat and have a little bit of a huddle and have a good time. That's at the end. But right now, this guy. Okay, that's Fed Powell. He's been making all of our lives a little crazy, saying some things, okay? In this video, we're going to talk about DJT. Okay, we're going to talk about DJT. Later, we're going to talk about Tesla. I'm going to end it with Tesla, right? And then remember, we'll have fun in the end. All righty. So Fed Powell says some stuff this week. He's driving us all crazy, making volatility. The VIX went up. We were having problems with Iran and Israel. They were doing their little thing and stuff, not minimizing that, just, brushing over that lightly. And we have DJT. So what is DJT doing now? All right, everybody who was following that. Okay. Came out, okay, we went up high, and then now, look, we did that. Okay. We went down like a plane with who lost its engine, all right? So what are we going to do now? This orange line, that's the 200 moving average, okay? It's a little below that. And since it didn't stop there, it can keep going. It can keep going. It doesn't mean it's going to stop now. So where will it stop at? That's what we need to know. What's the next support? So since we're already a little through this orange, the next line, you see this little thing here, this little wick? Okay, if we go here, okay, you see on the right side, it says $19.43. So maybe that's the next level of support. But my point is right now, if it's this here, or if it's over here, $20.06. The point is, it's not finished falling. Like, don't rush in. Let it do what it's doing. Give it a minute, okay? Because it's like this. It stalks, okay? When real investors see something like this, they're like, okay, because this stock moves on sentiment. So it depends how people are feeling about it. So we could do all this. So when we have a stonk and not a stock, it's like people look at it, and you're just kind of like, okay, neutral. But what we do know, so we know it can move up. It can move up towards the election time, right? When we go into November, it's election time, it can move up just on people getting excited about the election and about Trump. So now right here, what do I want to let you know? Okay, short interest. Okay, this is why I'm saying give it a minute, because when we have a short interest that's 10% or more, that means people are shorting it. Okay, so what's the short interest? Okay, you see over here, short float and all this, 14. Okay, so give it a minute. People are shorting, this stock because it's easy to short. But I'm not saying that it won't go later, because it can. Because like I'm saying, this thing just moves because of how people feel. How people feel about Trump. Okay, it's not like so much like the evaluation and what the company's doing. It's more of, it's like a meme stock, right? And meme stocks are like this. They go up, they go down. And, some people are into it, some people are not. How I feel about it is I didn't invest before. Well, I don't even want to say invest. I didn't go into it before. I feel, okay, I don't know. I may not pick up some. If I pick it up, I'm going to pick it up very, very low as possible, because I just don't know like where the end is. But I might pick up a little bit and just hold it for the election time. Okay, might, because this is just for like fun. Okay, that's how I feel about that kind of thing. All right, because remember the short float, right? So take your time and take your time. Look at that. So let's move on to Tesla. All right, now Tesla. Ooh, baby, what is going on here, right? Okay, so you see this line here. It was hitting the upper channel, right? Okay, but where are we at now? Let me just, give me a minute. All righty, here we go. Okay, so I drew the trend line. My chart was messing up for a second. Okay, so you see how it just went so nicely, hit the channel bottom, came up to the top, hit the bottom, came up again, right? Hit the bottom, didn't go all the way up, but hit the bottom, and here we go towards the bottom. Yay. Don't we like something that's consistent, though? okay? Because when it follows a pattern, it's easier to try to predict what we think is going to happen. So now we're here in this level, the 150, like 157 and all that. Okay, so it may hit here and go up. So to me, because you see here in the past, it's done it before. So it's not like it's unforeseen, right? So that's the buy zone, okay? That's the buy zone. But you know from this guy, right? Okay, saying stuff, saying hawkish comments, you know, in the market and the whole, everybody, sorry, let me just move back. How everybody's feeling about Iran and everything. Maybe the market will sell off more. I don't know. So just step in slowly, but this is the area to gather some shares, right? If you feel it will go up. Because if it breaks through the bottom, I always say both sides, okay? It could go up. Yes, that's the bull. But if it breaks through, oh my God, okay? That'll be another video. We're not even going to discuss that right now. Tesla has a lot of different news going on. Right now here, though, you see they're saying hold. It's a hold, okay? 19, all right, out of 34, it's a hold. Then some are saying buy, all right? So I'm not trying to shake you out of your position. I don't want to shake you out of your position. All right, here are the little, hold on. Yeah, this is Tesla, all righty. Okay, because look, oh my gosh, so red for a minute, so red, it reminded me of Neo. I had PTSD, sorry. Okay, I'll be all right. So just go slow. You see so much red there, people. Take your time. Now, Tesla has a lot of different news going on, right? Look at this Cybertruck problem here. Delays, unexpected delays. Okay, that's not good because they pushed back. All right, so not good. All right, so there's different issues. What else is happening? Okay, Elon is going to India. All right, unveil this 2 to 3 billion investment. All righty. Let's see what comes out of that. You know, having a market over there. Because, you know, India, you know, India's a place to be. Okay, so let's see. We also know that Tesla announced some layoffs, 10% of its workforce. Okay. All right. Right. All right. So we know certain things are happening, right? All right. And then we also know about this. Okay. So let me tell you about this. All right. So the shareholders, they're voting again on Musk, this $56 billion payout. Okay. So Musk was incorporated in Delaware, right? But after this aftermath, Musk is upset and he's saying, you know what? Heck with you, Delaware. I'm going to go to Texas. Oh my gosh. Now, you know, Delaware is probably like, wait, what? Okay. What? Because the thing is, hold on, let me scroll down to it. Okay, Musk said, never, hold on. Give me a second. Musk said, never incorporate your company in the state of Delaware. Oh my God. You know, Delaware is probably feeling some type of way right now. All right. A lot of people are incorporated in Delaware. Okay. More than 60% of the Fortune 500 are incorporated there. Okay. So now that Musk is saying, hey, let's start going to Texas, you know, this is a hot mess. So anyway, there's some news going on and everything like that. I wanted to make sure everybody knew about that. There's certain things going on with Tesla behind the scenes, but this would be a buy zone unless we break through. So be careful because, you know, the market volatility, everything's a little crazy, you know, from those other things I said. But I want to show you where we are, technically speaking. Okay? So now, you waited to the end. Let's talk about it. Here we go. Let's have some fun. This guy right here, Kerwin Ray. This is his quote. The quality of your life comes down to the thoughts that you think on a regular basis. Your everyday thoughts. You know how we all have in the background of our head, like this chatter going on, saying things? A lot of times that chatter in your mind is negative. A lot of times it is. So try to switch that over. Try to switch that to a positive. If you hear like your mind saying something negative, just like counter that and just say something positive. Like say it says, oh, I can never do anything right. Just go, you know what? I love you. I love you. I love myself. Counter it and start switching that negative voice into a positive one over time. So like I said, he said the quality of your life comes down to the thoughts that you think on a regular basis, okay? And look, so these are some of his recommended books. I love this part down here. Extreme ownership. Yes, I take ownership for everything. Everything. Okay, so I hope you like this content. Click like and subscribe. I'll see you, where, back here on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.